Want to make your profile picture stand out this holiday season? In this video, I'll show you how to create a Christmas profile picture with AI artifacts for free. Let's dive in. First, head to Photos AI Artifacts. I'll put the link in the description. Then, click the New button, and you'll see some specific AI effects designed for Christmas. Pick a photo that you want to turn into your Christmas profile picture. It can be a selfie, a portrait, or any image you think will work well. Now, let's add some magic to your photo using AI artifacts. Choose one of your favorite Christmas effects, and you'll instantly see the transformation. Your entire photo will be transformed into a Christmas style, with a Christmas tree or other festive elements behind you. It's a quick and fun way to bring the holiday spirit into your profile picture. Finally, hit the download button to save the image, and the best part is, you can download it for free. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked it. Now, go ahead and create your own Christmas profile picture quickly and easily.